What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some buffalo chicken mac and cheese using some leftover buffalo chicken I got. So, let's get into it, boy. Let's get them leftovers and get them made into now-overs, if you will. Yeah. That's right, baby. Buffalo mac and cheese. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, buffalo mac and cheese? Are you having buffalo chicken or are you having mac and cheese? Well, buddy, I'm having both because there's a collab going on. Rob from Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking, Rob and the crew over there, my boys, my girls over there, having just a good old time. They're having this collaboration called Two Diamond Chick. And you know, when they said Two Diamond Chick, I thought they was talking about Snooki's ass. But they was talking about taking some chicken, leftover chicken, and reconstructing it into a new meal. And you know me, baby, I always got some chicken, some of that yard bird, that yard pimp laying around because it's one of my favorites, boy. And speaking of which, last night I made the old spicy dicey. I made that buffalo style chicken leg quarter, man. Just put them in the oven, put some Frank's Red Hot sauce on there, boy. And my butt was like the flaming torch, but it was good. And as usual, made too much, got leftovers. So I'm going to pull those out and reheat those, and then I'm going to go ahead and give me my water, and we're going to start the macaroni. So get your water, get it in there rolling like old Clark Griswold was in Vegas, and you're going to go ahead and add your noodle. Now, this is the thing about this, buddy boy. You can go ahead and make your old gourmet, homemade, oven baked with the cheese and all that kind of stuff. The homemade, you know, macaroni and cheese. But you know me, buddy. I ain't got time for that shit. I went ahead and got the, I got the blues, that Kraft macaroni and cheese. But it wasn't even Kraft, it was the old cheapo. So, put my noodles down in boiling water. And once they're boiled, go ahead and drain them off. Then, go ahead and put them back in the bowl and add what the side of the box says to add. Usually some water, some butter, some milk. Things like that, buddy boy. It should tell you the ingredients on the side. And then, the most important thing to add, first of all, before you add the water or anything like that, is your loud Paxer, that pack of cheese mix that they got. So go ahead and dump that dust on there, buddy boy. Then add the water and the other stuff and stir around, boy, and let it sit for a while. Now, while it's sitting, you can go ahead and pull your chicken apart. Just kind of shred it and do your thing, like I said. I'm using leftover chicken, but if you want to, go ahead and make some fresh chicken. I don't give a shit, my boy. It's up to you. So, once you get your chicken shredded, I went ahead and actually added a little garnish, if you will. This is just some green onion from my garden, boy. That green onion is the stuff for me. Had some green onions ready to go, and I figured, you know what? I bet you they're going to go pretty good in that old mixture. So, I went ahead and mixed them together. It was wonderful. And then, you know what? I think we're ready to have a sight, boy. It's that simple. It's that easy. We're going to have a sight, and we're going to have a bite of that big bad buffalo chicken mac and cheese tonight, daddy. Yeah. Alright, baby, the time has come. The buffalo chicken mac and cheese is done. And I'm having the first bite for me. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, like, oh, I've seen this done before. Where's cream cheese? Where's ranch? Where's all the other stuff? Don't need it, boy. Just do it like this. Good, easy, cheapo. Yeah. So, trying to get a little bit of everything on every bite there, but you know how I did. Yeah. Oh. Hey now. That's pretty damn good. Got the spice from the chicken, the creamy, cheesy macaroni, and them green onions give it a little something extra. Just makes it kind of pop, man. So, good stuff, man. And always great to use those leftovers. Thanks a lot to Rob over at Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking for inspiring me to use my chicken buddies over here for the leftovers. So, I put the description to his channel down in my description. I put the link to his channel down in my description. Y'all go make sure and give him a subscribe. You know, check him out, buddy boy. He's pretty cool. He does some cool stuff, does reviews, does recipes. Good man, good game over there. So, I want to thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Hole. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my damn YouTube channel now, buddy boy. If you'll excuse me, I just got a big old piece of chicken and I'm trying to sop up some roni. So, see you next time, buddy boy.